That one right there. Yep. Wow, I wonder what that is.
What's that?
What is it?
It is. I know it's food.
Well, what would you do with it?
I didn't know this was food. I thought it was a toy.
Well, what is it, Sky?
That's it right there. Now look,
Well, what are you going to do with it?
Oh, that's funny. Didn't even know it's food. What's the only thing you can do? Cook it and eat it.
Okay. You want to save it for later? Turn it around, please, so we can get a good look at it. Let's see. Turn it over so I can get it in the camera. Ooh, let's see. Hurry up. Turn it over.
Chicken thigh.
You're not going to hold it?
It's cold.
Put it up in the camera. Put it up in the camera. You like it?
Yeah.
I tried my best. I'm glad you like it. Merry Christmas. Yay. Oh, you going to put some seasonings on it and stuff? And bake it? Yes. All right. So what do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay, my turn.
You want to put it back in the freezer?
It's cold.
Huh?
Put it in the freezer. I put it in the freezer.
Okay.
All right.